Good morning, students. Welcome to the class of accountancy. So today is your exam at 11:30. So I hope you are all prepared. All the best for your exam. Today I am making a small lecture for explaining the trial balance. Trial balance is always prepared after preparing the ledger, or if the ledger balances are given to you, then you can prepare it directly. First thing I will want to tell you is the format of trial balance. The format of trial balance is serial number, name of account, ledger folio, debit, credit. One thing you have to remember always, that assets will always have debit balance. Assets will always have debit balance. As we studied in the modern accounting, assets and expenses are debited when they increase. So these both will have debit balance. If their balance changes to credit, it means these are not assets. Asset will convert to liability. If some account has credit balance, then it cannot be asset. It cannot be our expense. Third is income will always have credit balance. Liability will also have credit balance, and capital will always have credit balance. So you have to remember that assets and expenses will have debit balance, and income, liability and capital will have credit balance. And second thing, I told you that whenever the closing balance is on the debit side, that is to balance CD. Remember, it is CD, closing balance. It is always credit balance. ये क्या है? क्रेडिट बैलेंस कहलाता है. और बाय बैलेंस सीडी जब भी किसी अकाउंट में बचता है तो उसका मतलब होता है डेबिट बैलेंस. So these two things are also very much important. So all the things are clear, and you may ask in the query group. Most of the queries I have solved in the group. Further, if you have any query, you may ask before the exam. Okay. The question paper will be given to you in the main group as before, and the answer copy you have to send in the query group, and you have to make the pinching copy for this exam. Don't use any notebook. Okay. Have a good day. Thank you.